Good morning, guys. It's the 25th of December 2018. Gosh. So I'm currently in Owerri, in Imo State of Nigeria, and the harmattan here is very real. Coming from Lagos, Lagos is super hot. Like, they don't even know what they're saying in Lagos. So I'm going to church. I'm already late. I got into it yesterday, the 24th of December, and I'm here at my brother's house, so we are heading to church. And okay, I'll keep you guys posted. Say hi to my camera. Hi to my other brother. Okay, so guys, I'm on my way to church. Like I said, we're late, so I'm going to keep you guys posted on the activities of the day. That if I vlog, if I don't vlog, I'll see you guys on the 26th. So guys, it's Christmas. You can see this heap of salad, and you can see that this is one-sided, which means I'm going to put my rice on the other side of the plate. So I just said let me share my meal, and this is part of what I get to do around Christmas, so yay. Merry Christmas to you all. Here's my first meal of the day. So I have coleslaw here. This is just cabbage and carrot, and I have my tomato sauce with my white rice, and this is a piece of chicken and my spoon. Merry Christmas to you all. Hi guys. So somewhere in Owerri, Hotel Ibis Royal, I think. So I'm here for my cousin's wedding, and I'm just here chilling. So this is, I've scattered everywhere. Look. So I'm just here chilling. Her hairstylist is here, so they are washing her hair and they're going to start making her hair now. Good morning. This morning, it's the 28th of December 2018, and I am still in Owerri for my cousin's wedding. Yeah, I'm sure if you have seen my Christmas vlog, I think I mentioned I was in Owerri. So I'm here for the wedding, and I didn't just wake up. I would have vlogged when I woke up. Thank you. I would have vlogged when I woke up, but I was pretty tired, so then I rushed my workout, and I matted my hair. My cousin helped me mat my hair, and yes, then I styled my hair. So I still have my hair under this mesh cap. I'm supposed to do my makeup now and get ready for the wedding. Church is for 12, but this is to 9. So yeah, I know I'll make it. So guys, I'll just keep you guys posted on my activities of the day. I hope to remember to vlog as often as possible, but if I don't, you probably just see the bride and see everything. So I'm just going to show you what is actually going on around me now. So this is the maid of honor. They're doing her makeup, and yes, I'm showing you her back. She said they should not snap out. She's not wearing clothes. So I think your face is shot out in the picture. The ring light is blocking your face. So this is one of the bridesmaids. She said she's not wearing clothes. Okay, she said hi. And this is one of the Ashrabi girls. She's so busy with her phone. Say hi. This is one of the hairstylists, and somebody's sleeping. She's been sleeping since. Everybody has been up. She's been sleeping. So makeup time. I'll show you guys the finished work. And guys, the harmattan here is real. Lagos is learning work. I know I've mentioned it before. The harmattan in this Owerri is real, very real. So I'm just going to quickly do my makeup. If I want, I may film. If I have the power. If I don't have the power, I won't film. I'll just show you guys my finished look. So guys, bye. Hi.
Why? I think it's a different color. Do your own makeup.
May the Lord bless these rings which you give each other as a sign of love and fidelity. Amen.
Amen.
Take this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
I missed it. Hi guys. Okay, so today is the 31st of December 2018 and it's the last day of 2018. Yes. And hi, sorry. Good afternoon. How now? Compliments. Happy New Year in advance. Happy every. Where are you off to? She's at my cousin's. My cousin's getting married. No wahalas. Yes. No wahalas. Ngwano. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I had to greet one of my cousin's wives. So, guys, it's my cousin's wedding today. I know I look like, I don't know, no earrings, no nothing, but that's how I am. Actually, that's the kind of mood I'm in now. So I'm heading to my cousin's wedding. Sorry, trad. And yes, I'm in the village. So I literally don't have plans to dress. Hi guys, so I just got back from my charge. You can see I am already on my 90. I'm so tired. I'm supposed to go for New Year's Eve vigil in church today, because like I said in the beginning of my video, today is the 31st of December 2018. I'm pretty tired. I hope I'll sleep small. I think church is in the next 2 hours or so. So I hope I'm going to sleep small. And probably there's no light. I'm in the village. There's no light. So I hope I'm going to sleep small before church. Let me just end this vlog here because hey, it's the last day of 2018. I have a couple of videos I'm yet to upload. The network here is terrible. Like, I can chat on WhatsApp, but videos are not uploading. So most of all these videos I might end up uploading them in 2019. So guys, happy new year to you guys. In case I don't see you all again, happy new year, and I love you all. Bye guys.